Going solar? Great choice. But is your system safe from surges, fires, or overload? At Nuevo Renewable Energy, we don't just power your home, we protect it. In Pakistan, power fluctuations, short circuits, and extreme heat can cause serious damage to solar systems and your property. That's why Nuevo LTD, PVT, introduces special safety devices designed specifically for solar protection. Introducing our 3-layer smart safety system. 1. Surge protection devices, shield against voltage spikes. 2. Auto disconnect units, instantly cut power during system faults. And 3. Thermal brake fuses, prevent overheating, burning, and equipment damage. Your home and business deserve complete peace of mind. Our safety solutions are smart and automatic, fully integrated, compact and affordable, and ideal for residential, commercial, and industrial setups. Backed by expert installation and 24/7 support, Nuevo's safety devices are trusted by over 1,000 customers nationwide. Don't just install solar, protect it, because real power is safe power. Powered by Nuevo Renewable Energy, Pakistan's trusted solar partner.